Let's hop into another book. It's story time. The Biggest Pumpkin Ever by Elizabeth Bennett, illustrated by Lisa Woodruff. Every year near Halloween, my village holds the pumpkin scene. This year I will win the prize. I'll grow a pumpkin giant-sized. My brothers say that I'm too small. They do not want to help at all. I plant a seed and tend with care. My pumpkin needs both sun and air. I hope to watch it grow and grow. Oh no! See, the crow got his pumpkin seed. Again, I try to plant some seeds. I clear the ground of rocks and weeds. I hope to watch it grow and grow. Oh no! Now a rabbit has his pumpkin seed. One last time I plant a seed. A single pumpkin's all I need. I hope to watch it grow and grow. Oh no! The wind has got his pumpkin seed. The leaves have changed. I feel a chill. I take a walk towards the backyard hill. Whoa! I'm so smart, so very clever. I grew the biggest pumpkin ever. And he got first prize. And that's the end until we read again.